Yo, what is good? I am Richie Kim and welcome back to Richie Revs again. Today I'm finally getting that PPF done on my car. I'm not going to be getting like a full car PPF or anything like that. I'm just going to be getting the bumper, the headlights, and the hood wrapped. So right now I am on my way back to Elevance. They are the ones who did the tint on my car, and they did an amazing job. And I've seen some other people also get their PPF done here, and it looks like they do very good work. So I hit up Steve and he said to just come on in and leave the car, and then he can get it done within like a day or so. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna be there in probably like 25 minutes, I guess. But yeah, I mean, I've been putting this off for a while. I kind of regret not doing this sooner, but I was really up in the air, with like the PPF or not, if I should actually do it, just because first of all, I wasn't sure if I was actually going to keep this front bumper, if I was going to go with the Adro bumper, because obviously, if I go with the Adro bumper, I don't want to waste money getting PPF on the stock bumper and then have to get PPF again on the Adro bumper, because that just doesn't make sense. But yeah, I mean, I did decide to, go with the stock bumper with like upgraded carbon pieces. So now I have to get the PPF done on here, and it is, I guess, slightly late. I have owned this car for 2 months now, and I have done some canyon drives with it, and just like it's my daily driver too, right? So it definitely has probably some damage on the front bumper. Whether it'll be like super visible or not under the PPF, I guess we'll see. It just really depends on how bad the damage is. And I couldn't really tell you because, my car is absolutely filthy right now as it is. So I can't really see, what the actual damage is. But once the PPF is on, we'll see what it looks like. There probably will be some like small air pockets, air bubbles, where there are most definitely going to be some little rock chips. But, in the end, it'll still be better off than, what it looks like now. And also, I don't have to worry about any sort of damage happening on these painted areas of the car, especially when I go up in the canyons, because I don't know if you all have checked out my canyon video. It's my first canyon video actually, but we ran into a lot of rocks on that drive, and although it was really fun, I would just wince every single time I heard rocks on the ground, because whether it's like hitting the bumper, or I even had like a rock literally fall from the sky and fall onto my hood and window, and I'm not sure where it came from, but it happened. So yeah, I'm very, very happy to finally get this done, have the car protected. This is actually going to be like a video, I guess, that covers the next couple of days, because not only am I getting the PPF done, I will be getting the rest of my car ceramic coated. So my car is going to be completely protected, at least exterior wise. So I won't have to worry about anything ruining the paint. So yeah, very, very happy about that. It's been a long time coming, and I've just put it off for so long. I kind of regret it, but hey, at least I'm getting it done now. But yeah, I'll talk to you all once I get to Elevance. We'll do a little before and after. Honestly, not really sure how much of a difference you'll be able to see, or maybe even I'll be able to see, because it really just depends. We are going with the S-Tech film, and it has built-in hydrophobic properties. It's either between this or XPEL, and XPEL has been around for a long time now, and it is one of the best brands. But nowadays all these films are very comparable, so I've opted to go with the S-Tech. It has less orange peel, so that's basically the main reason why I'm going with this one. So let's see what the before and after looks like. Hopefully it doesn't look too different from, you know, what it's supposed to look like just with no PPF, because I really do like the way that the paint shines and the way the overall car looks with just, you know, no protection at all. So dropping off the car, damn, you know, so we're just going over the car, and there are some like rock chips and some like damage like right there, some like rock chips like over here somewhere too. Like, I really wish I got this done sooner. Kind of sucks, but hey, you know, it is what it is. But it'll be getting PPF'd up. I won't have to worry about this crap anymore, so yep, can't wait. Once again, shout out to Elevance. The car's finished. The PPF looks really, really good. The S-Tech film looks great. Honestly, there's like no orange peel at all. It's very, very smooth. Elevance did a great job. Shout out to Steve, you know. He said he was gonna do a great job, and he did. So one thing I am bummed out about though, there are rock chips, you know. This is exactly what I was afraid of, especially after that canyon drive. I mean, you know, this is kind of expected, but yeah, I mean, at least it's, you know, done now. Honestly, I think the worst one is right here. But yeah, you know, I'm glad that I finally got the PPF on, and now I don't have to really worry. But yeah, ceramic coating coming tomorrow, so let's see how that looks once it's done. Yo, what is good? So it's actually the next day now, and I'm parallel detailing Billy over here. He's actually downstairs in the garage right now, and he's working on the car. So yeah, I mean, you know, he already gave it a wash, and it looks amazing. You know, it's been almost a month since I last had a wash, so the car looks very, very clean, and it looks pretty different, I think. But yeah, you know, he's downstairs, he's getting to work. I'm gonna show you some B-roll, and then we'll see what the car looks like after everything is done. So this is the next day after, or 2 days after we got the ceramic coating done actually. So the PPF looks really good. The ceramic coating looks really good. Super hydrophobic. Well, I guess down here I'm gonna have to wipe this off. But yeah, I mean, it looks great. So shout out to Unparalleled Detailing, shout out to Elevance. They did a stellar job. Absolutely love the way this thing looks.